Hey everyone, my large Sebenza, my card and knife needs some sharpening tonight, so I'm going to do a little work on the knife with the Spyderco Sharpmaker and just a minor touch up. I'm using the standard stones that came with the Sharpmaker, so feel free to leave all the comments you want about how bad my technique is, how I'm not using the hand guard, and all the other comments that I normally get, but this is just a fast touch up for a knife that I use all the time. I'm on the 40-degree angle, now I'm switching to the flat side of the stone rather than the angled or edged side. Okay, now I'm going to switch to the white stones. Go back to the point side, the edge side, or however you want to call that. The angled side, once again, make sure I'm in focus. Switching to the flat side. Okay. I think I'm going to call it done. Let me show you the knife real fast. There you go. That's how I do it. It's usually sharp enough for anything I need to do.